Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing with some new makeup that I picked up at Sephora, and I'm thinking we're gonna go for like a fall autumn look. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know every time that I upload. I'm going to be posting every Sunday, hopefully, fingers crossed. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is actually do my base. The base is pretty much done. I'm gonna go in with my brows, and I'm using the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in ash brown, and it looks like this. It kind of looks like that Anastasia brow definer. And I'm also using the NYX tinted brow mascara, and this is in the shade blonde. I'm gonna do the brows, and I'm just going to take my brow pencil and I'm gonna start filling it in from the bottom. So those are the brows cleaned up. I only clean them up underneath, and then I'll just take it. All right, so I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona bronze palette, and this is what it looks like. Super gorgeous. And I am going to go in with a blending brush. This one is the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe JH32. It looks like that. Super simple. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Beach, which is the shade right over here. I'm just gonna take that through my crease. Tap off the excess and just take that through my crease. Go and bringing it down to the outer part of my lash line as well. Just buffing that in. Then we're going to take a smaller blending brush. So this one is also a new name Morphe one, and it looks like that. It's a lot smaller than the other one. And we're gonna go in with the shade. By the way, that blended like a dream. Honestly, it just went on so smooth and I didn't really need to put that much effort in. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade. I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna do Ridge and Sundown. I'm gonna mix these two. There is a lot of kickback when you're dipping into it, but honestly that doesn't bother me. I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna apply it to the outer corner and outer crease. And I'm just gonna buff that in. I'm gonna bring this one a little bit closer to the lash line too, and just circular motions, bringing it halfway in. Okay, same thing on the other eye. Okay, honestly, these blend so good. This is my first Natasha Denona palette, so I've never tried her shadows before, but this is unbelievable. I feel like I keep looking to see that the video is still recording and I'm supposed to be looking at the lens. So if I do a lot of that in this video, I'm so sorry. Okay. So that blended like a dream. Wow. A little bit of depth and darkness to the outer corner. So we're going to take a more round, fluffy brush. This is also Morphe X Jacqueline. This is the JH37. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna dip it into Magma, which is like this beautiful brick red color right here. I love warm tones. I love warm tones. And I'm just going to press that into the outer corner, and I'm going to keep it pretty low and just build up that pigment. Just pressing it in lightly, blending it back and forth. And then I'm going to start buffing it into the outer corner. Shade. Love that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take, I'm basically gonna go backwards, and I'm gonna take this brush again and I'm gonna dip into those two colors, Sundown and Ridge, and I'm just going to use those to blend in that brick color and just kind of buff it out. And then once I get that where I want it, how I like it, then I'm gonna go back in with our original brush, and I'm gonna go in with that super light orangey shade Beach, and I'm just gonna run it through again. All right, same thing on the other eye, dipping into that brick shade again, Magma, and we're going to build up the pigment on the outer corner. I really like the way that that looks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a shimmer on the lid. Oh, you know what else I have? I got the Natasha Denona liquid eyeshadows, the chromium liquid eyeshadows, and I got two shades, so let's swatch them and see which one we want to use. This one's pretty. This is called Infra Nude, and it looks like that. So that's really pretty. The Natasha Denona liquid eyeshadow, chromium liquid eyeshadow. This one's in the shade Scarab. That one is this one right here. Okay, so Natasha Denona liquid eyeshadow, we're gonna go in with Infra Nude, and I'm just literally going to wipe off the excess on here, and I'm just gonna take some and place it right on my lid. I mean, it's pretty. It's not very like bam in your face, which is what I was expecting these to be, honestly. So I'm not really a fan of those. Let's go in with a shimmer over top. I'm actually going to take the shade True Bronze, which is this one right over here, and we're going to just use our finger, dip in there, and we're going to place that right over top. Wow, that's beautiful. Same thing on the other side. You guys, I am blown away by this palette. That is just so freaking pretty. Alright, so that is that eyeshadow. There's a color in this palette that I kind of want to try, but it's like more of a pink. I'm just going to try and see what would happen if I just popped it over top. I love that. Okay, so this is the shade Party. I'll show it to you guys in a second. pretty. If it wasn't COVID, I would go out. All right, so it's this shade right here. And it's like a pink. All right, guys, well, my camera played me because it stopped recording. So basically what I did was I took those crease colors and I blended them into my lash line. I took the highlighter I used on my face and did my inner corner and my brow bone, and then I added lashes. The lashes I'm wearing are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. Love these, so pretty. And then the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara on my top and lower lashes. And now I'm going to do my lips. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Pillow Talk. I know that this is a popular one. Never tried it. Right off the bat, blends like a dream. Gotta overline my lips. I swear, I feel like the older I get, the smaller my lips get. And then I'm going to use the shade from the Fenty Beauty. Oh God, what are these? Plush matte lipstick in the shade Spanked. And it looks like this. And I'm just gonna, oh, that goes on like a dream too. Yeah, I like that a lot. I have another shade that's a little bit lighter that I'm gonna pop in the center, and it's called Single, just for some dimension. That's pretty. Let's do a gloss. I can't not do a gloss, you guys. Okay, Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker. I love this lip gloss, and it's in this shade Rose and Shine. And it gives that like tingling. It's like a lip plumper, so if you don't like that, stay away from this, but I love it. And this is the finished look. Super pretty. So for the products that I love this. This is like the star. Highly recommend. And I think this was only 65 bucks, which is not that bad. And the lashes, I only wear drugstore lashes. I don't buy expensive shit like this because I'm broke. But do I have lipstick no. These are really nice. Let's see if I'll actually get 25 uses out of them though. That's what the claim is. Love the Fenty matte lipsticks. These were great. Love the lip liner. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment below what your favorite makeup products are, whether they're drugstore or high-end, and follow me on all my socials. I'll have them linked all around here. Yeah, have a great rest of your day.